Hello,
Hello,
how are you today?
I'm happy.
What's your name?
I'm home.
Okay, cool. How old are you?
I'm sorry.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay, you're going to have your speaking test today. Are you ready?
Science.
Okay, can you look at the board? Let's start with part 1. Now say, what are you feeling here?
I is schools.
I'm
Is school.
I'm cold.
I go.
Next.
I hungry. I hungry.
Okay, let's go to part 2. Talk about picture using I like and I don't like. Are you ready?
I don't like water. I like woods.
Rice.
Soy. I like milk. I don't like juice. I like food. I like chicken.
Okay, excellent. Now go to part 3. Say the letters, sounds, and words. What is the sound and word?
Monkey.
What is the letter?
M.
What is the sound and word?
No.
Nuts.
Nuts.
What is the letter?
M.
What is the sound and word?
Oasis.
Okay. Letter?
O.
Okay, good job. This is the end of your speaking test today, huh? Very good. Goodbye.